Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you looking to improve your data management and analytics capabilities? Look no further, because today we're going to talk about how you can build a production data lake on AWS. First, let's define what a data lake is. It's a centralized repository that allows you to store all your structured and unstructured data at any scale. This means you can store all your data in its raw form without having to structure it beforehand. Pretty neat, right? But why build a data lake on AWS? Well, AWS offers a wide range of data storage, processing, and analytics services that make it the ideal platform for building a production data lake. Plus, with its pay-as-you-go pricing model, you only pay for what you use, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Now, here's the key insight. By building a production data lake on AWS, you can unlock the full potential of your data. With all your data in one place, you can perform advanced analytics, machine learning, and even real-time data processing. This means you can gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions faster than ever before. So how do you actually build a production data lake on AWS? It all starts with Amazon S3, their highly scalable and secure object storage service. You can store your data in its raw form here and easily access it from other AWS services. Next, you'll need a way to process and analyze your data. This is where Amazon EMR comes in, a managed Hadoop framework that allows you to run large-scale data processing tasks. And for real-time data processing, you can use Amazon Kinesis, which can process and analyze streaming data in real time. But what about data governance and security? Don't worry, AWS has got you covered. With services like AWS Glue for data cataloging and AWS Lake Formation for data security, you can ensure that your data lake is well managed and compliant with regulations. So there you have it, a production data lake built on AWS. By leveraging the power of AWS, you can store, process, and analyze your data in one place, leading to faster and more accurate insights. Plus, with the built-in scalability and flexibility of AWS, your data lake can grow as your business grows. Ready to take your data management to the next level? Check out our website for more tech tips and training resources. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thank you for watching and happy data lake building.